Thank you, Cricut, for sponsoring this video.
Yeah.
Hey DIY Queens, welcome back to my channel. I'm Create with Kayla. If you're new, welcome. Today we have a collaboration with Cricut, and I'm going to be using my Explore 3 so we can make some birthday Valentine's Day projects. Before we start making projects, Cricut is a smart cutting machine that allows you to create personalized projects with hundreds of materials. It works with a software called Design Space, and it comes free with the machine. This is where you can create your projects and browse from hundreds and hundreds of images and fonts. Once you've created your design, Design Space will send it to your machine to cut. Y'all, it's my birthday. I'm turning 27 and I'm so excited. I am like beyond excited because I'm gonna show you guys how to not go out and buy things when you can just make them at home. How crazy is that? I'm always looking and I'm always searching to find this theme for my birthday or this or that, and I can never find it. But with our Cricut Explore 3, we are about to make our own project. So no need to go out and buy your own, backdrop and stuff like that. We're gonna do it right here, right now. And I have a couple projects just for you. They're not gonna be too hard. They're gonna be simple, I promise. So once again, let me say thank you to Cricut for sponsoring this video. So let's get right into it. First up, we're gonna be making these birthday balloons by Zoey D. You're gonna need to grab some white permanent vinyl and open up your free software called Cricut Design Space. You can use it on your desktop or inside your mobile app, and it allows you to choose your designs and start cutting. I chose Zoey D's balloon decals. I'm doing all of this on my phone inside my mobile app, and it makes it easy for me to customize them however I like. Once it's time to make it, just follow the steps, and with the Cricut Explore 3, you can make it without a mat. This project took me no time. Now it's time to add our transfer tape. When you place these on the balloon, just make sure you're careful, and you also are careful when you pull it off. I was also able to customize my own balloon with the same vinyl and just in my Cricut Design Space. Just make sure you're careful when pulling the transfer tape off. And I also added some hearts to it. Now for our final look, here is a sneak peek of our first project. For our next project, you're going to need some permanent vinyl that's black. We're going to be creating a nice backdrop. Cricut Design Space is the app that you use to create whatever you want, and you can also just click and start projects on the go. For this project, I'm just going inside of the text and then choosing a font that I want to use. I'm turning 27, so it's going to say cheers to 27 years. I want the 27 to be a different color from the other ones, so you can also change the colors inside Cricut Design Space. With this project, I'm not going to be using a mat, and it's going to cut out the black letters first. Once that's cut out, we're going to grab our smart permanent vinyl in metallic gold and finish cutting the rest of our materials. When I was looking online, I couldn't find anything that I wanted as far as birthday decor. I found Valentine's Day stuff, but it wasn't good enough for me. So I am so glad that I have my Cricut Explorer to make what I want. Now it's time to cut out our words and apply our transfer tape. This transfer tape is super easy to use, and make sure you use your squeegee tool. When it comes to peeling it off, it is super easy and so satisfying to watch. Now I'm just going to lay it onto my surface. Here is a sneak peek of what Project 1 and Project 2 looks like together, and oh my gosh, y'all, it is coming along together great. Let's get to our next project. For this next project, you're going to need some red smart vinyl, and you're also going to need some white smart vinyl. We're going to be using Cricut Design Space to create these champagne party favors. In Cricut Design Space, I love how it tells you all the materials you're going to need, and it also tells you how long it's going to take you to make it. I customized my own by adding some squares behind the word thank you so it could look like it's overlaid. I will be putting some white vinyl in the back and then the thank you word in red in the front. Now it's time to peel the vinyl off, and I felt like I didn't need transfer tape for this because it was easy to just apply by hand. Once again, use your tools. This is perfect for getting those air bubbles out of the vinyl. Now it's time to load your red so we can print out the thank you and overlay it on top of the white. Now it's time to remove our vinyl so we can reveal our decal. Be very gentle and make sure you get your transfer tape and squeegee tool so you can apply it to the bottle. Just take your time and have fun with it. I love peeling off the vinyl and revealing my project. Now it's time to apply your project and remove the transfer tape. And here's the finished look of our champagne party favors. For our last project, we're going to be using the glitter gel pen. We're going to be creating a custom menu for each guest. For our pen to write, we're going to change the operation to draw, and we're going to change the size of our pen to glitter gel pen. We're also going to change our operation to the shape and make sure we change it to basic cut so it knows to cut instead of draw. We're going to send this oval to the back so we can reveal our menu. Once you're done creating your menu, we're going to make it on a mat, and we're also going to listen to what side it tells us to put our pen and where it says to use our razor. This can all be done in one project. I added some flowers and this is what it looked like. Now let's see all the finished projects come together. Y'all, cue the birthday music. Okay, I'm just kidding. Thank you guys for watching this video all the way through. Once again, thank you Cricut for sponsoring this video. These projects are super easy. Now you can customize your own birthday stuff. No need to look up and buy off Etsy. No need to do all that. You can make them all on your own. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit that like button, and then go ahead and comment me a happy birthday in the comment section. If you have any questions, also ask me your questions down below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe if you already aren't subscribed. And thanks for watching. Bye.